Okay, so guys, I have just finished my level 6, so round 51 to round 60. As you can see, I don't know, I'm sorry, but if you cannot hear me, this is the first video I'm making, so bear with me, and hopefully in the future, if I'm making more videos, I'll try to be more careful with these things. So if you have any suggestions or anything to say, please feel free. I'm just trying to reduce the voice. So all I wanted to show is what I will get in this chest. Yeah, as I said, I completed from round 51 to 60, all 3 stars. As you can see, this is round 5, this is round 6, this is 7, 8 and 9, and this is round 10. So each round has almost 10 levels, and each level has 3 categories or 3 diversions to pass, and then you'll get 3 stars in each. So let's just open the chest and see what we have inside. Alright, so there you go. Wish me luck. Okay, actually that's not too bad. Okay, these are mostly plain parts and 1 fuel boost and some coins. It's not a big deal, but I think when I level up my planes later, I will need all these parts. So yeah, there you have it. This is what I have received so far. You can see my ID on the top here as well. If you would like to add me, feel free. And yeah, I have a lot of tips for this game for anybody who's playing, so I will share it with you. I can show you my planes. These are the ones that I have, and I think that's it for now. I will not hold you up for so long, and yeah, I'll share whatever tips I have later on. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.